Hello everyone, welcome back to EngVlog, and today in this lesson we're going to learn some phrases that we should use when we want to end our conversation, but very politely. Okay, so let's jump into the lesson. 5 ways to end conversation politely. Okay, number one, it was nice chatting with you. So you were talking to someone else and kind of informal situation, okay? So, and you want to end the conversation, so you should say, or you could say, it was nice chatting with you, okay? Nice chatting with you, okay? Or it was nice talking to you, okay? Both mean the same. So it was nice chatting with you. It's a nice phrase. Next comes, well, it's getting late. So maybe you have to go because you need to do something which is very urgent or important, okay? And you were talking to someone else, and then suddenly you think just it came to your mind that it's getting late, and you have to leave. You have to end the conversation. So you could say, here, well is a kind of feeler. Feeler is word or words or phrases native speakers use often in their daily conversation when they want to avoid some unwanted silence, or when they want to bring some new topic in their conversation to their conversation. Okay, sometimes they use kind of fillers. Okay, so we will be making some videos or lessons on these fillers. Okay, so well is a filler word. Okay, so well, it's getting late. That means I need to go. Okay, next comes anyway, I should get going. So get going is a kind of this kind of phrase, get going or get something, is many native speakers use this term in their daily conversation. Okay, you can also use them when you want to end your conversation politely. So once again, anyway, I should get going. That means I need to go. So I'm sorry because I need to end the conversation, but at the same time, it's really urgent. It's really important to me to leave. Okay. Next comes sorry, but I'm afraid I need to go. I need to leave. Okay, I need to say goodbye right now. Okay, or for the time being, because I have an important thing to do. Okay, so sorry. So it's a formal term, you could say. So as you can see that I'm afraid. So as you are using this phrase, it's a formal phrase. Okay, formal term, you could say. So sorry, I'm afraid, and I need to. So it's formal. So if you want to end the conversation in a formal way, you can use this phrase. Okay, but I'm afraid. I'm really. That doesn't mean that you are very much afraid of something. Okay, there are some ghosts or zombies. Okay, that doesn't mean that. It means you are sorry a little bit, kind of sorry to say that you need to end the conversation, right? And the last one is, I'm sorry to cut you off, but I actually gotta run. So here are a couple of things you should learn. Cut you off. To cut someone off, it's a phrase, means kind of interrupt. Okay, so I should write interrupt. Okay, someone else. So I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I actually gotta run. So here is another you should learn. Gotta means have got a or have got to. So gotta. There are some other terms like that. Okay, we will be making a lesson on that. Okay, in future. So I actually got to run. That means I actually have got to run. That means it is really needed. I really need to go, or I really need to run to somewhere else where I was supposed to be. Okay. Well, this is all about phrases that you should use or you could use to end your conversation politely. Okay, so I think that's all about this topic. I hope you understood the lesson, and if you did, just hit the thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. Hope to see you. Bye bye. Nice chatting with you. Okay. Well, it's getting late. And anyway, I should get going. Sorry, but I'm afraid I need to